Thanks so much for clicking on today's video. I hope all is well with you and your family. Today I'm making vegetables and chicken stir fry. I will be pairing this with some rice. Let me show you all the ingredients we're going to need for today's recipe. Bienvenue sur Kayi's Corner, je suis Kayi et j'espère que vous allez très bien. Moi je vais super bien. Aujourd'hui je partage une recette vraiment facile avec vous. Là, je vais vous montrer les ingrédients dont on aura besoin pour la recette d'aujourd'hui. 3 chicken breasts, green beans, 3 carrots, broccoli, dark soy sauce, half of the bottle, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, chopped ginger, 4 garlic cloves, bell peppers, and spring onions. To season our chicken, we're going to add some chili, all-purpose seasoning, and some garlic powder. Mix well. After mixing this properly, just leave it for 10 minutes. I'm going to show you now how we're going to mix all the ingredients to add to the stir fry later. We're going in first with our soy sauce, 250 milliliter, sugar, the vinegar, and 500 milliliter of water, 2 tablespoons of corn flour to thicken this. Make sure you mix this properly so everything is well dissolved. Let's start the stir fry. Add some coconut oil, heat it up for 3 minutes, and go in with the garlic and the ginger. Now we're going to add the chicken. Add all the vegetables that take a little bit longer to cook first. Next, our carrots. This is looking so good already. So good in here. After cooking this for 3 minutes, I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. To add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of salt as well. Smells so delicious. The time to add a little sauce. Now the sauce is ready, let's serve the food. This looks so yummy. I'm going to dive into it now, and as usual, you guys are invited. Come and join me and let's enjoy this food. The chicken is so tender. Make sure you try this recipe and comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm sure you're going to love it. If you like this recipe, kindly give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and subscribe as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye! Et voilà, c'est la fin de la vidéo d'aujourd'hui. J'espère que vous avez aimé. Si c'est le cas, N'oubliez pas de liker, partager avec la famille et les amis et surtout abonnez-vous. À très bientôt. Au revoir.